I think that HR director, it's really important to listen our employees because purpose is already a personal issue. Maybe the way I see my purpose is completely different from another people. So first of all, we need to ask them, to our employees, to our new generation, what is really important for you in your purpose. Of course, it's the purpose of the organization, but it's also the purpose in their daily life. For example, the way they can organize their work, the way the people they will engage in their project, or maybe the way we deal with or the way we manage them are really, really important in their definition of purpose. So first of all, I ask them with inquiries with candidates and with our employees, and I organize a workshop to discuss, to exchange with our employees how to develop concrete actions. For example, equity is for them really important to find purpose in their work. Okay, so what does it mean, equity, for you? Equity in salaries, how to deal with this project. Equity in the fact to have new position. Okay, we will discuss and invent a very transparent and system to identify people who need to have a promotion. So each program at Mazars are developed with our employees to be sure it's exactly the answer to their expectations. Yes, this new generation or Gen Z, millennials, talk a lot about purpose. And for them, it's two different things. First of all, the purpose of the organization. For them, it's really important to be engaged for an organization who have, for example, an environment purpose or social or societal purpose, because they want to have a real impact for the future. We know that it's really difficult. There are a lot of crises, wars, it's an environment crisis. How to engage this new generation to see the future. So they need to have an impact, so first of all. And the second point is the fact that I want to be engaged for an organization who respects me as an individual. And when, as an organization, we say we have a purpose, are we really responsible in the way we manage people in our own organization? We cannot have a speech or a slogan or a promise and in our behaviors in our organization treat people very badly, for example. So new generation are very attentive to be sure that the employer value proposition or the moral contract is really aligned with their expectations. And for example, for them, the freedom they can have in the way they organize their work. The fact that people ask them with respect to do some things is really important and a source of sense and purpose for them. And it's really important, I think, in the same level as the purpose at the organization level. So we have two kinds of purpose, and our ambition is to link, in fact. If we want to have people engaged in our organization, we need to have people who find purpose in their job and purpose in the organization, and we need to align everything. I think it was not for me something, it was an intuition, but it was not a concrete idea for me. The culture and the strong culture, a strong responsible culture is a link between the personal purpose and the purpose of our organization. Because sometimes we can work for an organization who have a very strong purpose, but I'm not aligned in the way the organization asks me my job. So to be completely aligned, the culture, the value is a traductor, I don't know the same, makes the link between the individual expectations and the global purpose.